Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to the waterfall spot. And today we are taking around my C14 and the botch job of a trailer Mark II. So yeah, my first original C14 kit here guys, the chassis, C24-1 body. I've got a C14 rear bed, that's a brooder motorcycle, and we've chopped a C14/24 chassis in half, D12 wheels, C24-1 rear bed, C24 rear canopy, C54 roof rack. Lots of numbers here guys. But yeah, we're going to try and take it around the waterfall trail today guys, and I think it's going to be pretty tricky towing that all the way around there. Also it's running on the MN99 electronics, so we've got a 260 motor in there, the MN99 board, and yeah, let's see how it does. Let's hit the trail. Already proving tricky to tow a trailer up a hill. Take a different line, nicely does it. I think it's just too steep for it by here. So as you can see guys, proving to be pretty tricky lugging this trailer around. I bet without it I'd probably just skip up here. The hand of God, see if we can take the tight little trail up alongside the mountain here. I'm going to take my time here. Slowly does it. Pretty steep now. Okay guys, I was kind of hoping it was going to get round. I knew it was going to be tricky. But yeah, struggling today. Might have to head back down to the bottom and try some more casual trails. I think some weight on the towing truck would really help. Put some traction down. But, come on, little Yota. It's proving to be extremely tricky today. So the tricky stuff was proving to be a bit too tricky whilst towing this. We can still have some fun nevertheless. We still got some nice trails down at the bottom here. I might add an unlocked diff from a JGRC to it. See if that helps me pull the trailer a bit easier, a bit more weight as well on the towing vehicle. So here's the plan guys. We're going to take it up to the bog, get nice and muddy, and then we'll cross the river to get it nice and clean. Hope we don't get bogged in now with this trailer. Nice. So we've got the tyres nice and muddy now guys. Let's go clean them off in the river. So the water level has dropped. The truck is not waterproof, but yeah, if you keep the water level below the wheels, then you should be alright messing around in some water guys, especially if it's nice and clean. let's go see if we can cross the river. I think I've spotted a line. Pulling off the forest with me now. Tricky bit now, I'm going to try and work my way through here. Try and back it up ever so slightly. Nice. Hey, little Yoda. Not a bad aspect of control at the MN99 electronics. Personally, the FY003-1 004 the best ready to run electronics, but yeah, for a budget setup I'm impressed so far, guys. Nearly out the other side. So there you have it, guys, my WPL camper build. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, guys. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. New content every Wednesday and Sunday. And as always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Looks like a nice spot up here to camp up for the night.